Damn, look at this. Damn, it's raining a little bit. You watch out, some bitch. No, I'll find one though. No. I'll find one. Cause I need some too. You might have to go on the highway and then get off. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just vibing for real down there. It was so nice. Now it's like raining a little bit. Kind of feels good, low key. Oh. The thing that's nice about these Hero 10s is that it's like, I don't know what it's called. It's basically just waterproof, bro. Damn. Fuck this rain. Fuck the rain. I'm not. Fuck. I need my music. Go right. Can't go crazy. This rain, bruh. Guarantee you it's gonna. Guarantee you it's gonna stop in like 5 minutes. Shh. Lucky, bruh. I don't have my music in right now. Bobbing. I have my headphones in, but the music is not on my phone, and I have to unlock it. Damn, this rain hurts my damn freaking arms, bro. I don't have a jacket on. Rain freaking hurts, yo. God dang. I ain't been caught in the rain in a minute. For real. Wow, that shit hurts. Kind of feels good at the same time though, for real. Refreshing. I don't know what he was saying. I think he was saying to not do that because it's raining probably, so. Damn, they're getting lit over there. That was so nice though, relaxing downtown, bro. I gotta do that more often. It's so nice. If you got a bike, bro, you just gotta go like, you gotta go find like just like a dope spot, chill spot, and just chill. Which is the vibe. Oh dang, I can feel my bike. Just felt that shit slip, I swear. Dang, it's a vibe. And honestly, thank you guys for the support so far too. Much love. We're about to hit 15K. That's crazy. We're gonna keep running it up though. Cause we're going big. We're going for 100K. You're not getting my lane, boy. Yeah, you stay right there. You stay right there. I don't know if you guys heard. If you didn't see the last video, I'm gonna try posting more, bro. I really want to try being like. I want to be more consistent. So I used to post every like 3 days. I'm gonna try doing like probably every other day, low key. I really want to do every day. Damn, I need gas. Also, if you guys are still watching, comment, like, let me know, like, what videos you guys like watching too. Or if you have any video ideas, let me know. Get off right here. I need gas. I need gas. I know, I need gas. That's why I got over. Looks like I got rained on down here. Oh my god, my baby! I hear them pops, bro. I know she wants to pop even louder and more. It's that stupid cat restricting it, bro. And then it stopped.
No, it didn't rain. It was just the roads were wet.
It was raining a little bit. That shit hurt.
Yeah, in the beginning, and then in the middle, the roads were fucking wet.
Yeah. That's why I only ripped it on that straightaway there. I was not fucking with those corners. No thank you. No loyalty card. What?
You know how I had to drive today?
Yeah.
Should I put that in the fucking gas thing?
What'd you do?
What?
What'd you do?
Should I fill up that gas thing?
Ooh, for what? Oh, for the Home Depot?
Yeah.
Would you have to get sand?
Yeah, I can leave it with sand.
You filled out an expense form for that gas?
I said, should I?
Nah. I mean, while we here, you might as well get some freaking shots, right? We're here, might as well get some shots. Dang, she looks so good in the gas station. Both of them do. Turn your lights on real quick and get off it. Let's get some videos too. Why is it stopping, bro? The hell is that shit? It stops. I think I'm almost out of freaking storage. That's stupid. That's dumb as hell. How is my storage full, bruh? I can't wait till I wrap my bike. It's gonna look so sick. There's that dumbass traction control. I need to turn that off. Can't turn it off while you're riding either. Which kind of blows balls. Let's see if you see me flashing my lights. For some reason, I swear, freaking my bike always looks so much better under gas station lights. I don't know why. The lighting just OP there. And I went to go get B-roll for you guys, and my freaking iPhone storage is full. What the hell, bro? Oh, I heard that pop. Oh, it's wet over here.